At the heart of Nurture UK is our web-based digital assessment tool, the Boxall Profile Online. This unique, innovative tool supports a whole-school approach and allows educators to easily assess children and young people, uncovering and addressing hidden social, emotional, and behavioral needs that may present as barriers to learning. The Boxall Profile Online benefits children and young people, practitioners and teaching staff, schools and education settings, local authorities, and trusts. Children and young people are dealing with social, emotional, and mental health issues like never before. In the UK, the need for better support was widely recognised even before the pandemic, but the crisis has deepened. The Boxall Profile Online can help. Visit boxallprofile.org to sign up or log in. You can then create an organisation, add pupils individually or via the import function, and set up your classes and groups. The assessment is split into two sections. Developmental strands measure a pupil's cognitive, social, and emotional development that influence how well a child is able to learn and function in the classroom. The diagnostic profile contains questions that help teachers spot any challenges or barriers that might prevent a child achieving at school. The two-part checklist, which is completed by staff who know the child or young person best, is quick, and very importantly identifies the levels of skills that children and young people possess to access learning. The assessment focuses on strengths to build upon, as well as highlighting any difficulties. Educators can compare assessments to measure and track the progress of children and young people. Set achievable targets that help to reinforce target behaviour and skills, and measure the impact of any interventions implemented. Educators can create individualized learning plans and access strategies and resources to use in the classroom. After considering the assessment report, you are ready to develop a personalized learning plan for a child or young person. The learning plan consists of 5 stages. The blue ribbon, which is at the top of the screen, takes you through each step. Included with each annual subscription is the Introduction to the Boxall Profile Online digital course, to introduce the concept of the Boxall Profile and Nurture, helping to improve the impact and embed the approach across your setting. We highly recommend that you attend the Nurture UK training course, the theory and practice of the Boxall Profile. This has all the information you need on the 6 principles of nurture, attachment, and the latest neuroscience to enhance and deepen your use of the Boxall Profile, as well as giving guidance on the practicalities of using and analysing the results for supportive classroom interventions. Nurture UK offer a range of courses, webinars, and resources to support your use of the assessment tool, and help embed a nurturing approach across your setting. A range of subscriptions are available, and each subscription allows all users in a school or setting access to the tool, to assess the children and young people in their care. Help and support is available within the assessment tool, through our informative help centre, and via our customer care team. The Boxall Profile Online is the UK's most popular tool for educators assessing and addressing children and young people's social, emotional, and behavioural needs. It works in partnership with the curriculum and helps educators to identify hidden needs and put the appropriate learning plans and practical strategies in place to help address those needs. Visit boxallprofile.org to start using the tool today, to positively impact your pupils' learning, behaviour, attendance, and well-being.